Go ahead. So
We've got our colors.
I
So
have probably baked hundreds of cakes over the years.
Chocolate pretzel crack filling.
she is a self-taught baker who is quickly becoming a queen of cakes. In fact, Courtney Rich says she's obsessed by cake, and her colorful creations are followed by more than 200,000 fans on the gram.
Everybody welcome Courtney Rich, our baker cake.
Rich. With my sweet friend Courtney.
Hi,
with Cake by
guys.
Courtney.
just like lit this fire inside of me, and I got really excited about baking cakes.
This is so easy, and this will fool all of my guests.
Oh, that's so good. The strawberry is just right.
And we're gonna just break it down for you today. Do some really fun cakes.
I think from scratch at home is even better.
Okay.
This is why this works.
Wait, say that again. Tell us what this is. Chocolate pretzel crack filling.
Yes. Through the magic of TV, it's been 10 minutes in the freezer, which is what I like to do. We're gonna have Savannah come to my cake class. Is what we're gonna do.
What I'm saying.
I will kind of give you a demo on the baking process and my tips and tricks and some things I have learned along the way. I'm self-taught, so I've hopefully over the years, through my trial and error, will take away a lot of your trial and error and make it a little bit easier for you.
And now we turned it into a cake because that's what I do. I turn everything I
Into
can think of into cake. And there's basically a cake of the month, and I'm sending you all the ingredients. You're getting in a really cute, pretty curated box, and it's separated. You have your cake, your frosting, your extras.
But it's really a family affair.
It really is, and it's so easy because everything's pre-measured. So it's fun to have the kids in there with you because they can just dump it in.